Hey guys, so this is the redistricting game that I'm hoping you'll have a chance to check out. It's actually super fun. I really enjoy it, and it really helped me to get a better sense of what redistricting and gerrymandering is about. So you can see it's at redistrictinggame.org. In fact, if you just do a Google search for redistricting game, it'll be the first result. So to play this, you'll see this big button down here that says "Play the game." You'll go ahead and click that. And here are a number of choices of different game types. I suggest that you start with the first one, Mission 1 Fundamentals. And from my experience, Basic and Advanced kind of does the same thing. You can go ahead and learn more or check out some quotes if you'd like to. But I'm just going to go ahead and jump in with Basic just to give you a sense of how this is played. Um, Give you this cool little dragon here. So here again, it gives you the same sort of choices for the games as before. Once again, we're going to stay on mission 1. We're going to roll through basic. So what this is going to ask you to do is go ahead and just choose a political party for you to represent. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. It just sort of affects the choices that you'll have to make. But here you can see you are your state's redistricting consultant. You work for the Republican Party, because that's what I chose, which controls the state legislature. So follow your party head's instructions and redraw the districts to help your party. So here are a lot of the instructions, and you're going to want to make sure you check this out, but I won't spend a lot of time looking through this here. But you can kind of highlight and see what each of the people want, and that will ultimately affect the choices that you have to make. Then down here, you'll go ahead and click Begin Mission 1. And so what's cool about this game is you essentially look at this map, and then you will go ahead and move the boundaries of their districts to try to match whatever it is they're trying to do. The only thing to keep in mind is that in order to move a district, you have to move a district out. So you can't go into this green district and then move it in. You have to go into this purple district and move it out. But a thing you're going to want to keep in mind is you can see all these little dots represent the colors of the parties that the citizens of the areas are related to. But also you'll see that in some places they're really, really dense, and in other places they're not. And that's part of what's going to have ultimately cause you to develop your strategy for how you figure out how to play this game. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.